This is one of the places, I guess, in retrospect, that I promised Shelley it wasn't just a trip to California. That's what I said, but her idea of a trip to California was not just going to California. It was stuff like this.
Iconic stuff.
Yeah, like this thing behind us here, a big mural. She wanted to see a big mural of water. So now we're here at a big mural of water, so task complete. Oh, I'm just kidding. Do you know where we're at? Have you figured out where we're at yet?
It is a favorite spot for me.
If you haven't figured it out yet, let my lovely assistant here fill you in on exactly where we are.
We're at the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. I'm super excited. It is as stunningly beautiful as you would think it would be. And we learned a little bit of information that we didn't know about it.
What color is the bridge?
It's not red. I thought it was red. I mean, I always thought it was red. I had no idea. It looks red to me, but it's not. It's called International Orange.
Orange.
Which, I guess red does have some orange in it. Still looks red to me. But it is officially International Orange. And it's like 700 and something, like 36 or something feet high.
Yeah.
That's pretty tall. And it's like 42,000 feet across.
Yeah, there's
4,200, not thousand.
You can walk across it for free. We're not going to do that today.
No, we drove across it. We're good.
1.7 miles, and we got a lot of other stuff to see now that we're into San Francisco.
Oh,
so now that we're in the San Francisco,
my map is full of places to go.
So now let's get on the streets of San Francisco and find some other stuff. And I just made a TV show reference. Did you catch it? Leave me a note in the comments below. If you did, and tell us what it was. Well, we didn't film any more San Francisco yesterday. We did some
movie scenes, like just film locations. Just popped in, took a picture, jumped to the car, and kept on going.
Instagram, it'll all be on Instagram.
Yep.
But we're in San Francisco now. Wardrobe change. And we are, well, Ghirardelli Square, right behind us. Right in front of me is the Maritime Museum, and right in front of Shelley is
Fisherman's Wharf, and some really cool ships.
So we're gonna hit the Maritime Museum first. So let's do it. That was pretty much it for the museum, which is kind of shocking, actually.
Yeah.
But there are some other components to it. We're gonna walk over and check out as best we can. But the building itself was really just murals. It was their big claim to fame.
Yep.
And the second floor is closed. I don't know if it was COVID closed or what. And that's where all the, well, a lot of the murals are.
Yeah.
So let's go check out these other stuff that I just mentioned. You know, one thing a lot of people don't think about is you need to take care of your bicycles. Like this sign here says, thank you for walking your bikes. Take them out for a walk every now and then. Let them get some exercise. You know, let them enjoy the fresh air. That's the way to do it here in San Francisco. So thank you for walking your bikes. So we're at the High Street Pier. Short walk from the Maritime Museum. This is part of the National Park Service as well. So if you don't have a pass, you're going to have to pay.
Yep.
There's a steam donkey engine. That's how they powered the donkeys. And This right
funny.
here is Petaluma's stern wheel. It was the last of the San Francisco river boats. If it looks like I'm holding the camera crooked, I'm not. I'm holding it straight. We're crooked. We're kind of listing a little bit to this on the port side. Please don't climb on the tractor. Okay.
Or touch it. Ooh, Ghirardelli right here.
Okay, yeah. Ghirardelli chocolate cocoa mustard. I hope those are 3 different words and not one thing. All right, this is the last of some 400 locally built schooners, and this was built in 1891. It was designed to haul hay, salt, bricks, and other bulk products. Oh, sorry, a scow schooner. They were well suited to the shallow reaches of the bay and the delta.
Over here, there's the Golden Gate Bridge. You're going in between it, see?
That wasn't me. All right, so off in the distance behind us is the Golden Gate Bridge. We're standing on Pier, and over here is Alcatraz, which you can see really well this time. Every time we've been here so far, which is twice.
Been hazy.
It's been very hazy. Spoiler alert, we're not going to Alcatraz this time. It would be pretty much a most of the day experience. It's a 3-hour tour. It's kind of scary.
3-hour tour.
We're definitely coming back, and we're definitely doing it. Hopefully it'll be warmer when we do. So let's go check out some warmer stuff. Well, maybe not warmer stuff, but
Interesting stuff.
tasty stuff.
Tasty. Okay, we are getting ready to do something really fun. If you know anything about San Francisco, you know that there's a street here that is crooked, very, very crooked. And we're gonna take you with us on Lombard Street. Here we go. We are just about getting ready to head over and down that famous hill. I'm kind of excited, to be honest.
Yeah.
But we gotta wait for the cross traffic and the people.
Yeah.
And you can only go 5 miles an hour down this hill.
I'm gonna try to go faster.
No, you're not. Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I hope I don't get sick.
It's like, whee!
Oh man. Oh. It does feel like a roller coaster a little bit.
Very slow roller coaster.
It's a very, very slow roller coaster.
It goes downhill very slow.
Yes. Wow. Or you can just take the stairs.
Yeah, you just take the stairs.
I can't imagine living on this street and having people just come drive down your street over and over again. I'm sure.
I can't imagine living on here and having to deal with all that.
Well,
trying to get my own car in
Right.
so I can park.
I mean, but if you notice, they actually have like garages and everything right on the street. This is kind of cool though.
I'm doing 6, by the way.
And you can only go down the hill. You can't come up because we thought you could go up and down, which kind of didn't make sense because it is a one-way. I mean, there's not enough room for 2 cars.
Yeah.
So down is the only way you can go on this street. See, we didn't do our research or we would have known. It's only down.
I'm not sure.
But there's a lot of people standing at the bottom taking pictures.
I'm not sure if all these people down here taking pictures are for us or what, because they weren't here earlier.
Ha! That's true. Oh my goodness, we did it. We got to the bottom of the
We
hill.
made it.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah. So have you ever done it? Ever been down Lombard Street? That was cool.
Yeah, if you've been down Lombard Street, let us know in the comments. And
And now we're driving towards Alcatraz.
yep, there is Alcatraz. So Another famous view just for you.
So we had a good time at Fisherman's Wharf. We got lots of chocolate we got to eat. We got lots of sourdough bread we got to eat.
We even got chocolate sourdough bread.
We even got chocolate sourdough bread, exactly. We didn't really film any of that. We did go to the, what was it?
Boudin?
Boudin? Yeah, Boudin Bakery, which is, I guess, the original location of sourdough bread, according to them, at least. And
at least from the 1800s, somewhere in there.
right. So, and I got a chili in a bread bowl. The bread bowl was awesome. Chili was
really good.
Honestly, it kind of tasted like canned chili. It was good. I mean,
It was good though.
but it's $12.
And it was really windy here, so it was
Very
nice
windy.
to have chili.
That's the reason we didn't film a lot there too, because it was pretty windy. And there really wasn't much to see. It was very uncrowded here on the first day of September of 2021.